We're going to make some gates, and this here is a friction cutter, and this one's about one of the larger types. It's about 350mm cutting edge, and it's a drop saw because it hinges down. If you're going to make a lot of gates, it's going to be worthwhile getting one of these. You can probably hire them. Now what I want to show is how to use your tape measure and how to cut for gates. So you have just your normal tape measure. You can buy these for about $8 wherever you like, cheap ones. Now when you make a measurement, let's say we're going to measure right there. So I'll bring that through. That's to lock your pipe into place. When you make your mark, you take the corner of your chalk and you pick the spot that you want, and then you do another one exactly on that same spot, so you end up with an arrow. Now the reason why we use an arrow to point right to where, because if you go like that, you don't know whether it's that end, or you pick the middle. It's not precise enough. You don't have to be super precise on these jobs, but you do have to be pretty good. Now when you cut your first one, what you want to do, because we're going to discard that piece and we want to keep this side, we cut to this edge, and you pick this edge because you look along this edge till it lines up. When it comes down, you look along there and it's perfect, okay? It's going to cut right on the edge of that arrow because this is the size we want to keep. So we cut the top and the bottom rail just there, and this is our discard side, this is our keep side. But when we go to do the 3 middle rails, we come through to just this side of the arrow. Now this blade here cuts about 5mm wide. Actually I think it's about 3.5mm wide. Whatever it is, it's just those couple of millimeters that'll make your gate in the middle easy to do, and I'll show you that now.